Hey y'all, it's Tastepink and I'm back with the ultimate style guide for your faux lock and braided protective styles. Sis, if you have not seen the installation tutorial, you definitely want to check it out. It's changing the game, sis. We taking shortcuts every day. But you guys need to make this elastic scrunchie, sis. This changes the game. If you guys have questions about it and you want to see a tutorial or for me to talk more in depth, let me know in the comment section. But this first style is a messy bun with a chic satin touch. Now, I have accent pieces towards the front of my hairstyle and around the parting space, and I just want to collect those and situate them, away for the time being. And I'm going to gather all of the hair towards the very top of my head. You want to be in the same vicinity as where your ears are, and I'm using my elastic scrunchie to secure this in place. And I wanted you guys to see how much work this is. It's very doable, but you get an arm workout. Now, once the hair is situated on the top of my head, I'm going to take the bulk of it and begin twisting it away from my face. And then I like to twist the bun around itself. And of course you want to go in and pin it into place. Make sure it's secure, sis, so it does not move. We want it to stay put. Now this is sort of like the messy bun version. You guys could stop here, pull out a few curls, a few locks to make it even more messy. But if you want to take it up a notch and you're interested in doing something a little different, this satin scarf that I got from Amazon, I love that it has the orange color to it. It's so glam and it complements the colors within my faux lock style. And sis, just do something super simple, wrap it around. It just makes it super cute. If your edges are struggling that day, this is a great way to hide it. And you look extra cute, okay. And you guys have to tell me which look is your favorite. Don't leave this video before you tell me. Now this next one, this is style 2. It's a halo pony with bangs. So with our hair still at the top, the very top of our head, I'm going to take a medium section of hair. You guys see it's not too much. You don't want it to be too thick. I'm going to twist it in the opposite direction and begin wrapping it around the ponytail. And you want to make sure that this is very secure and positioned very nicely in place, and just bobby pin it with a few bobby pins. You don't have to go crazy. Then I'm just going to pull the bulk of the ponytail over towards the right. This is a look, sis. Now, this is how I worked out. This is really good if you're doing, more weightlifting and you just want your hair out of your face. Don't sleep on it. It may look a little funky, but I like this aesthetic. Very Erykah Badu ginseng incense kind of energy. You know what I'm saying? And I'm here for the black girl magic look with this. Style 3, a double bun plus this head wrap from CC's Closet. Now, taking the hair down from the previous style, I'm going to take the hair and create 2 sections. You want one section to be slightly larger and you want to twist it, and this section is going to act as the base of the double bun. So it's going to be a little bit larger, and you want to make sure you're tucking and twisting the ends and securing them in place before moving on to the next section. And again, very tightly, I'm going to twist this piece. This is going to be a little bit smaller than the bun at the base, and I'm just going to secure it in place and use this head wrap from CC's Closet, sis, link in the description box. I just tied it once at the front, and then I began to twist the ends around itself, and I wrapped it so that I can really get a nice secure fit. It doesn't have to be too neat. Like, a little bit of messy creates a different aesthetic. It makes it effortless and more beginner friendly. So this is the look, sis. The color of this head wrap is everything. I wish I wore a red lip with this because I would have took it down, sis, okay? But I love this look. What do y'all think? Now for the next style, this is a double bun plus a head wrap, and I don't have any bangs because I know some people, you just want all of your hair out of your face. I got you. So I'm just wrapping my little bangs around the perimeter of the base of the double bun, and I'm gonna use this head wrap, and this is from the beauty supply store. It was $10, sis. And this one, I'm gonna create a knot at the front and then just focus on wrapping the ends and twisting them around itself and making sure that the opening is neat. So it's not neat right now. You want to neaten it out and just wrap the ends around itself and then tuck it in place. Again, we want it to be as easy as possible, okay? Now, I was so done when I realized that my nails match my head wrap. Like, since I was 2 through and y'all about to get all my nail energy, but I love this look. It's so regal. Like, yes to the beauty supply store for really holding me down. But if you guys are interested in rocking the double bun without the head wrap, this is how it looks. It's still a look and it slays. Okay, now because I love this head wrap so much, it had to make another appearance, and this is the wrapped waterfall high pony. So again, my hair is still in that high ponytail situated at the very top of my head, and I'm just going to take the wrap, and I'm not even going to knot it. I'm just literally wrapping it around itself, making sure that the base of the ponytail gets a little bit more height, because we want it to sit up very high. Like, that is the key. And just like that, you literally have, you know, your waterfall high pony, and you can situate it, you know, where the ends are even on both sides, or you can try to push it all the way towards the back. You know, we want to keep it cute, very regal, and I love the big hoops with this. I'm trying to give you guys like the whole kind of full look that you can do, you know, really deck out your look and serve different looks every day of the week, sis. Super easy. All I did was just take the hair and pull it over to the side. Now you can use bobby pins to make sure that the ponytail is secured exactly where you want it, but I love this effortless kind of look, and honey, I'm giving queen realness. Let me know, let me know, let me know. I think I am indeed, honestly, truly. Now let's say you're not one for the head wraps. Okay, let's do a side part sleigh. So we're gonna keep it super simple. Yes, it's a little bit warmer, but let's say you just want, you know, your hair out of your face. I like to take a few sections of the faux locks around where my ears are. You wanna grab pieces underneath, like near your ears, not at the top. And then I just use my elastic scrunchie to secure this in place. Sis, this is a cute look. This is also how I work out. I'm extra, I like my hair down, so this really works for me. And I just love when my hair like falls all over the place, but it's not in my face. You get what I'm saying? And I did a little half up, half down, and this is such a cute, very youthful look. And I kept a significant amount of bangs down at the front. I just wanted to play up this look of the, you know, typical half up, half down, make it a little bit different. And I pulled a few locks down on the left side just so it's a little bit balanced. And I just created a ponytail right at the very top. It's not too much hair. And then I'm going to take this little section and wrap it around the base of the ponytail. This is going to give it height, so it's going to sit up a little bit more. You get what I'm saying? We want to really accentuate the pony, especially if you have a larger head like myself. Okay, we want it to look cute. Again, sis, serving. Okay, are you going to a festival? Are you going to a dinner? Regal, honey, and we're serving. Now I'm gonna give you this twisted top bun, and we're gonna take it all the way home. Don't stress, okay? We're taking it easy now. I just took about a small to medium sized section right at the very front. No bangs necessary. Used my elastic scrunchie to secure the hair in place. And I'm gonna create 2 sections and then begin twisting them around itself. And I'm gonna wrap this piece around to create a nice little top bun. Now you don't have to twist the hair, that's optional. Secure it in place with bobby pins. And here's another look. I mean, I'm a new woman every day with each style, you know, so to the boys and girls of the world who really want to slay, this is for you. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know when you subscribe so I can give you a nice warm welcome. Let me know which style is your favorite, and I hope to see you in the next one. And remember, we slay the day around here.